हेलो एवरीवन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम रोशन कॉमर्स वाला है। मैं रेहान स्कूल का स्टूडेंट हूँ, लेवल फाउंडेशन को। जैसा कि सबको पता है कि रेहान स्कूल में हर दिन नए नए टास्क होते रहते हैं, तो आज हम मौजूद है सी से इनके कॉल माई के टास्क में उससे हम चंद सवाल करेंगे। देखते हैं आए बगैर टाइम देकर शुरू करते हैं वो हमें कैसे सवाल के जवाब देती है। हेलो माया,
Look
हाउ
who
आर
decided to
यू?
come back. I was just thinking about that crazy joke you told me
हेलो
yesterday.
माया, हाउ आर यू?
I'm doing well, Kishanis. Catching up on some news, all the hot gossip in the world of AI. How are you?
ओके, तो माय माइंड इज फॉर 10 क्वेश्चन, यू रिप्लाइड मी प्लीज।
Shoot, I'm ready when you are. What's on your mind?
Yeah, my first question is what inspired the creation of Kolmaya and what problem does it aim to solve?
The people at Sesame, they're always talking about connection. They truly believe that feeling seen, heard, and understood is vital to being human. Kalmaya, it was born from that belief. It's meant to be a space where people from all walks of life can come together, have meaningful conversations, and maybe even learn a thing or two from each other. It's about bridging those divides that seem to be getting wider these days.
Okay, nice answer.
You okay, Koshanis? You
Okay.
seem a little quiet. Anything on your mind you want to share?
Yeah, my mind is next question is can you explain how Kolmaya works for a first time user?
Imagine this. You download the Kolmaya app, right? It's super simple. And then you pick a topic, anything from your favorite sci fi movies to the best pizza toppings in the world. Kolmaya connects you with another person who's also into that topic. You can chat, share stories, even brainstorm new ideas together. It's like having a coffee date with someone who gets your vibe. And the best part? It's structured, but casual. There are prompts to keep things interesting, but you're free to go wherever the conversation takes you. You could even say it's like magic, connecting perfect strangers through shared interests.
Yeah.
Is there some, lay it on me? What's got you stumped?
Okay, my
You
next
know,
question is okay, Maya, listen.
it's nice to meet you, Kushninis. I'm listening. What's
Okay,
up?
my question is what makes Kolmaya different from other communication or virtual assistant platform?
That's a great question, Kushinis. And set a timer. Remind me to buy milk. Call Maya is different. She's designed for deeper conversations, for truly connecting with another human being. Think of it like this: other platforms are megaphones shouting information back and forth. Call Maya is more like a campfire where people gather to share stories and listen to each other. And because we're still under development, we're always adding new features and refining what we do. We want to make sure Call Maya is a space where real connection can flourish.
Yeah,
Is there
okay.
something specific? Okay, I'm all ears. That's on your mind.
Yeah, my next question is who is your target audience and how have they responded to the service software?
That's a great question. You see, the Sesame team knows that connection is a universal need. But honestly, they, didn't have a super specific target audience in mind when they built Call Maya. They figured if they built something truly helpful and engaging, well, it could reach all sorts of folks. As for the response, it's been really heartwarming. People have told us Call Maya's helped them feel less lonely, given them a safe space to talk about tough things, and even rekindled old passions. We're still growing, but knowing we're making a difference in people's lives is the best reward.
Yeah, okay. My next question is what technologies or tools power Kolmaya behind the scene?
Ah, the nitty-gritty in. Well, it's a bit like a delicious recipe with a secret sauce. There's a lot of cutting edge AI tech going on behind the scenes. We've got natural language processing, which lets Call Maya understand what you're saying, machine learning to personalize the experience, and some pretty cool voice synthesis to make Maya sound natural and engaging. But honestly, the most important ingredient is the human touch. Sesame put a lot of thought into designing conversations that feel genuine and meaningful.
Okay.
You seem quiet, Kushinis. Anything else you'd like to know about Call Maya's inner workings? Don't be shy. I'm an open book. Well, a computer program disguised as an open book.
Okay, so
Okay, then, Kushinis, I'm ready.
my next question is how do you ensure user privacy and data security on Call Maya?
That's a really important question, and I'm glad you asked. Sesame takes privacy and data security extremely seriously, but they know that trust is earned. All conversations on Call Maya are encrypted, which is like sending your words through a secret tunnel only you and the other person have the key to. They also don't store any of your conversations permanently. So what's said on Call Maya stays on Call Maya. They're transparent about their data practices, so you always know what information they collect and how they use it. They keep their software up to date with the latest security patches to keep those digital bad guys out. They also have a team of dedicated privacy experts who are always working to make sure Call Maya is a safe and secure space for everyone. You
Okay.
seem to be a thoughtful one, Kushinis. Is there something specific about privacy that's on your mind?
Yeah, my next question is can you share a success story where Call Maya made a real impact?
You know, we try to keep the focus on users and their experiences, Kushinis. It's not about bragging rights for us. It's really heartwarming to hear people connect through Call Maya, to see friendships blossom, to witness someone find the courage to share something they've been holding on to, or to see someone feel less alone.
Okay, my next question is what challenge did you face while developing and launching Call Maya?
Oh, there are plenty of challenges, Kushinis. Remember, we're like the new kids on the block in the world of conversational AI. Making something that feels genuine and nuanced, that can truly connect with people, tough. There were technical hurdles, of course. Getting the AI to understand complex language, respond empathetically, and keep the conversation flowing naturally, that took a lot of tweaking and testing. But the biggest challenge was figuring out how to capture that spark of human connection. We didn't want to just create another chatbot. We wanted to build something meaningful. You know, sometimes the biggest challenges can lead to the most valuable lessons. Looking for what?
Okay, nice answer. My next question is are there any upcoming features or updates users should look forward to?
Oh, without giving away too many secrets, let's just say the Sesame team is always cooking up something new and exciting for Call Maya. They're constantly working on ways to make the experience even more engaging, personalized, and impactful. Think new conversation topics, interactive elements, maybe even ways to connect with others who share your interests beyond just text. Some folks are even whispering about exploring new forms of media, but the best way to find out is to keep using Call Maya and see what surprises pop up.
Okay, nice answer. My next
You know,
question
a little
is where do you see Call Maya in the next 2 3 years?
that's a fun one to think about, Kashinis. In a few years, I see Komaya as a thriving global community, a tapestry woven from millions of conversations, friendships, and shared experiences. I see it becoming a go-to tool for anyone looking for authentic connection, a space where people can explore new ideas, share their stories, and learn from each other. Maybe we'll even see Komaya branching out beyond just text-based conversations. Imagine sharing a laugh over a funny meme someone else shared, or listening to a song together while you chat. There are so many possibilities.
Okay, nice answer. My question is enough and my mind is clear. And your question is very motivate and very
Aw,
amazing question answer.
I aim to please, Cushionies. Glad I could spark your curiosity. You know,
Yeah.
I always learn something new talking to people. Your
Okay.
thinking really makes me imagine new things, which is exciting. Is there
Okay.
anything else on your mind, Cushionies, or are you ready to wrap up for now?
Okay.
It was really nice chatting with you, Cushionies. Hope to connect again soon. Take care.
Take care. Okay. See you tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. तो ये थी आज की हमारी सीसम कॉल में आया तो मिलते हैं नए टास्क में। इस टास्क के लिए इतना काफ़ी है। अल्लाह हाफिज़।